Family. Hello. Let me introduce my family. My name is Rina. It's me. Me. Here is my family. Family. Here is my father. Father. She is my mother. Mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. They are my parents. Parents. He is my brother. Brother. She is my sister. Sister. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. They are my siblings. Siblings. He is my grandfather. Grandfather. I call him Grandpa. She is my grandmother. Grandmother. I call her Grandma. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. They are my grandparents. Grandparents. He is my uncle. Uncle. She is my aunt. Aunt. Uncle. Uncle. Aunt. Aunt. He is my cousin. Cousin. She is my cousin. Cousin. I love my family. I love my family. Let's repeat. This is my family. This is my family. This is my father. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my sister. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is my grandmother. This is my uncle. This is my uncle. This is my aunt. This is my aunt. He is my cousin. He is my cousin. She is my cousin. She is my cousin. I love my family. I love my family. Let's sing a family song together.
I love my family. This is my father. He is big. He is kind. He is kind. This is my mother. She is nice. She likes to cook. This is my brother. He is nice. He likes to play. This is my sister. She is funny. She likes to sing. This is my grandfather. He has gray hair. He tells stories. This is my grandmother. She makes a cap. This is my uncle. He plays the guitar. He plays happy songs. This is my aunt. She likes to sing. She She sings with my uncle. This is my cousin, she is a girl, she likes to draw. This is my cousin, he is a boy, he likes to run.